headers and stock catalytic converters, and then ISR white pipe and ISR 3-inch catback exhaust. So that's pretty much it of the exhaust system. So yeah. Alright, so we put the catalytic converters back on with the stock test pipes. Stock headers and stock catalytic converters, and then ISR white pipe and ISR 3-inch catback exhaust. So that's pretty much it of the exhaust system. So yeah. The same. I'm gonna give it a couple revs. I'm gonna just wait until it warms up a little bit. No, I don't like it. It's a getaway car now. I don't know. The RPMs went so slow up, so I feel like slowed me down. Anyway, that's hella funny. Yeah, I don't know what it sounded like. Well, it's, yeah, just a little pop. Take a little wheels out. Yeah, let's back the car out now, see what it do. See what it do. See what happens. Uncle's pissed. Uncle's pissed. He mad. Woo!
Hey, that shit was bad. That's probably the biggest thing you ever shot. It's probably like 5 feet. I guess the cats were worth it, I guess.
That's crazy. We're not even overheating, boy. That's crazy. I just like burnt my cats right now.
It's just for that.
Yeah, I'm gonna just end it here because my cats smell bad right now. I don't know. I'm gonna take this car for a drive around, go shower, and then sell my catalytic converters, my aftermarket ones, my Megan Racing. I'm gonna sell that to a friend of mine. And then I should be getting some long tube headers or some C1 Motorsport headers, or test pipes, I mean. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna end it here because my battery percentage is at 28, so. Behind me, a little SI, I think it is. I don't know, it's probably not even an SI. See, that's a little red badge. Trying to see if we can get a little flyby past me. There. I just slowly started creeping up. I should have hit a little bit earlier. It's my stock cats too.